This video is sponsored by iMyFone debug. Is your iCloud storage running out of space because all of your backup files are taking over it? There is a solution to this. Alright, so I got a software called debug from iMyFone. You can use debug to restore all of your photos, WhatsApp chats, voice memos, and those kind of stuff in your computer. So basically you can restore all of your files from your phone and save it to your computer or your hard drive. So you can recall it whenever you want and you don't need to worry about running out of space in your iCloud storage. Like in my case, I subscribed to 200 gigabytes of iCloud storage from Apple, but now it's nearly full just because of all my backup files is stored in that storage. So as you can see here, the purple color is all of my backup files, and it's been using most of my iCloud storage. So if I had to upgrade my iCloud storage from 200 gigabytes straight to 2 terabytes, which is gonna cost me 15 Australian dollars per month, that'd be a waste of money. So this software really is the solution for me and you. It's gonna save a lot of space of my iCloud storage and also save my money. By the way, I'm gonna be giving away 2 one-year free licenses for 2 persons. So stay tuned until the end of this video. Okay, so there are 3 different options or modes here that you can choose. Recover from iOS device, recover from iTunes backup, or recover from iCloud backup. Side notes: for the recover from iOS device, you can only use this mode over devices that run iOS 11 or earlier. Also, it can recover your lost or deleted data. So if you just accidentally deleted your data or something like that, you can use debug to look for it. Because turns out what's been deleted is not actually gone. However, the longer it's been, the harder it is. But special for this video, I'm going to be demonstrating the newest feature of iMyFone debug, which is the iCloud backup recovery. Okay, let me show you how to do it. So before you start, make sure you have backed up your iCloud on your phone, because this software will have to restart your phone into the factory settings. After the process done, of course, you open the debug. Alright. Click the recover from iCloud. Choose the iCloud backup. It's actually pretty straightforward. They already provide the guidance there, so you can just follow. Alright, next. Okay, so there are 2 options here depending on your iPhone situation. Whether it's already in the initial setup or it's the current using iPhone that you use with your data in it. So I'm gonna choose the second one. Okay. After that, it's gonna restart your phone. I've backed up mine, so we're good to go. Next, reset your device with 1 click. Start. Obviously, you connect your phone with your computer first, but I already did it before the video. So, yep, next. Factory reset complete. Please wait for device to reboot and follow the instruction to restore iCloud backup. Alright, perfect. By the way, it's sometimes asking you to turn off your Find My iPhone, but maybe I already did before, that's why it didn't ask me. Hello! Hello there. Okay, it's on the factory settings already. Okay, so we're just following the steps like a new iPhone. Selecting your language, region, and stuff like that. Okay, so here after your phone showing this page, you can choose restore from iCloud backup. And I'm gonna sign in my Apple ID. And then you're gonna get the verification code, which I'm gonna put it on my phone. Okay, now after you've done the following step, click next and they'll get you to the next step. Now you can choose your backup. I'll choose the latest backup, of course, because that's what I want to save into my computer. And that's it. We're just gonna keep following the steps from the iPhone. And we're waiting until the phone is fully restored. By the way, it may take like 30 minutes or so depending on how big your file is, because the phone will need to download all the files first before it's transferred into your computer. Alright, so this is actually the next day. It took a lot longer than I thought, maybe like hours. So I left it last night, my phone. I saw my WhatsApp took the longest to restore. So yes. Okay, where were we up to? Alright, we are here. Our phone is fully restored. Now we click next. Please make sure all settings, data loading are down. Yep. Alright, now we're waiting. Yep, that's my phone. Alright. Okay, now here you can select whichever data you want to recover. I'm gonna select all because why not? Of course, I don't have some of these apps, but yeah, who cares? Okay, now scan. Still preparing. I think it's gonna take a few minutes. There you go, it's processing now. If you have large size or data on your device, the scanning time will be longer. Please wait. Due to Apple's privacy policy, the call history and sub history of iOS 12 and later versions cannot be obtained. Okay. Hey! Oh, okay, we're waiting again. Okay, now it's the process of scanning the data. It'll take some time as well. It's not bad. They got WhatsApp. Yeah, I primarily use WhatsApp. Not primarily, but that's the only messaging app that I use, other than the original messages from Apple, of course. Photos, videos, voice memos, notes, this kind of stuff, which I really use actually. The software fulfills my need, I would say. Oh, that's it. All right. We can see all of our files here. My messages, my WhatsApp attachments. Because I don't have all these apps, so of course they don't have it. And photos, videos and stuff, notes. Okay. All right, so you just click recover. Choose file format and just choose HTML. I don't know about those. Okay, so I'm just gonna store all of this data into my hard drive here. So let's browse to select the exact file I want it to be into. Yep, debug. I've got my iPad Pro there. Okay, now I'm just gonna create a new folder. iPhone 12 Pro Max. There you go. Open and click recover. That's it. Then we have to wait for the recovering process. It's pretty simple, straightforward, right? So you can just use this even without watching my videos, I guess. The only part that took a while is waiting my phone to be restored, but that's for my phone itself. Nothing to do with the software here. Okay, now it's finished. Finally, all my files are here. My app photos, app video and stuff, it's all here. So you can also open the chats, stuff like that. This is all of my messages from everyone, including random numbers. So yep, cool. So you can also see your photos here. You can see all of your photos is placed in this folder. Okay, so now you can delete all of your data, like your photos, WhatsApp chats that you don't really need. So when you back up your phone again, it won't take so much space in your iCloud storage. Okay, so pretty much that's it. And as I promised, I'm gonna be giving away 2 one-year free licenses for 2 persons. To win this is very simple. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and also comment down below why you need this software, and follow my Instagram because I'm gonna pick 2 of you guys and DM you there. So see you there. But if you just want to see how the software looks like, you can download the software for free. The link is in the description down below. Or you can purchase the software once for a lifetime with an up to 65% discount and win free AirTags, gift card, and many more stuff. But if you don't want to do that, there are still options for annual and monthly subscription. So really, the choices are yours. Okay, so pretty much that's it. This is LK Pixels. Thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. See you in my next video. Bye.